Tada!
Danke!
Es ist fertig. Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. These are some scrap yarns and they're just perfect for our project. You're gonna need a crochet hook for this project and a 3.5 millimeters should be good for that. You also need some scissors and a tapestry needle for sewing later. And of course we need a hairband for this project. Now let's tie a knot first to secure our two scrap yarns to hold them together. Leave a longer tail for sewing later. And now let's start with a simple slip knot. For this, create a circle and put the long string under the circle and pull it through. And then put your hook through this loop and tighten. Now let's chain some stitches. This will be our width. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through, and repeat this until you've got a width that you like. Now when you think it's wide enough, let's chain one more, and now we're going to single crochet through these back bumps. And for this, stitch through the second stitch from your hook, then yarn over and pull up a loop. You've got 2 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2. Then crochet through every bump across the row. So that's the end of the row, and now we have to chain 1 and turn our work. Now we're going to use both loops for the single crochets. So we're going under the V's. So you see the V's, we're going under the V and we're going to use both loops. And then you yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. And then you just repeat this across the row. Now let's repeat this row until you reach your desired length. So don't forget to chain 1 and to turn your work every time after you finish your row, and then just single crochet across the row. So that's my work so far, and these are 15 rows, but you can do it as you like. Now let's finish the work and cut a longer tail for sewing. Then chain 1 and pull the yarn through the loop and then tighten. Now grab your tapestry needle and thread the yarn through the needle. And now let's sew all the loose ends on one side, because you want to have the other side on the outside, which we will look at. So now just go with your needle through the stitches and through your fabric. And then just use the same way on your way back. So use the same stitches and make sure it's very loose, that it's not too tight, and then you can cut the yarn. And then let's do the same on the other side. Okay, now let's turn it to the beautiful side and to use your hairband, and we need some yarn. So first let's tie a knot to give this piece a beautiful tie look. So just a simple knot, nothing fancy. And now we're gonna need a very long thread. And now we're going to wrap this long thread around our tie bow. So it's a little bit of patience work, but it will give you a very nice look. So wrap it around your tie bow and your hairband at the same time to secure the bow on the hairband. So this is how my work looks like so far. So you see a lot of wrapping there, and now we can cut the thread. Now we're going to use our tapestry needle again and just thread your yarn through the needle. Now we're gonna tie a knot, and then we're going to hide all the loose ends under this wrapping. Tada!
Danke!
Es ist fertig.